Going on, everybody? Welcome to AMC Buildworks. We're currently standing here in my shed, and this is going to be the home base for AMC Buildworks, where we build furniture, functional home goods, custom built-ins. I love to remodel houses, so some DIY projects. And then if friends or family need help with DIY projects and or furniture, custom built-ins, we're going to help out there as well. But the first thing we're going to do to launch this is turn this shed into a functional workshop. Right now, it's just looking like a shed. So what I want to do is add some insulation into the walls because right now it's January. It's kind of cold. And that'll help insulate this a little bit better. And it'll help with the noise of saws and stuff like that as much as it really can. Insulation is not really, it's not like I'm soundproof in this place. Get some shelves, put some tools up there, maybe a slat wall right here, organize some stuff. I want to have this place running smoothly. I want to have things in arm's reach, know where everything is. I don't want it to just feel like a shed where I have bins and like a table that I'm working on. I want it to be an actual functioning workshop where we really do something intentional here with AMC Buildworks. Looking forward to taking you guys on this journey and the launch of this channel. And let's get to it.